Imagine transforming your backyard into a thriving, organic garden paradise. No experience needed. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a way to connect with nature and bring life into your space. Even if you've never gardened before, you'll find it easy and rewarding. Hi, I'm Stacy Cole, and welcome to Eco Grow Garden Tips, where every garden blooms with possibilities. Today we're diving into 10 organic gardening hacks that every new gardener should know. Let's get growing. Let's kick things off with companion planting. Did you know that some plants are best friends? By planting them together, they can help each other thrive. For instance, basil can improve the growth of tomatoes, making them taste even better. It's also important to know that by planting basil near your tomatoes, it can repel pests and boost flavor. It's nature's way of teamwork. You'll not only have tastier tomatoes, but also fewer pests to worry about. Basil's aromatic oils deter insects like aphids and mosquitoes, making your garden a healthier place. Picture yourself harvesting those delicious, pest-free tomatoes with that perfect hint of basil right from your garden. Consider using these organic companion planting kits to get started. You'll find everything you need in the description below. You don't need to break the bank on expensive fertilizers. Instead, make your own. It's easy, it's sustainable, and it's something you can do with materials you already have. Mix kitchen scraps like vegetable peels and eggshells with yard waste to create nutrient-rich compost. As these materials break down, they release nutrients that your plants need to grow strong and healthy. It's like feeding your plants a homemade, all-natural smoothie. Composting not only nourishes your garden, but also reduces waste, turning what would be trash into treasure. Imagine your garden thriving on this rich, organic compost, fueled by your own kitchen and garden leftovers. Check out these top-rated compost bins in the description, which make the process easy and efficient. Whether you have a small space or a large yard, there's a compost bin that's perfect for you. Mulching is one of the simplest ways to retain moisture in your soil, suppress weeds, and improve soil health. Mulch acts as a protective barrier, keeping the soil cool in the summer and warm in the winter, which helps your plants thrive year-round. Use organic materials, like straw leaves or even grass clippings. Your plants will thank you. For those new to mulching, these organic mulch products in the description are a great place to start. Imagine your garden beds perfectly mulched, keeping the soil cool, hydrated, and full of life. A well-mulched garden also looks tidy and well-maintained, adding to the overall beauty of your space. Ditch the chemicals. Attract beneficial insects to your garden, like ladybugs, which feast on aphids. These insects are your garden's natural defenders, and they work tirelessly to keep your plants healthy. Or plant marigolds to naturally repel unwanted bugs. Marigolds are not only beautiful, but also effective at keeping pests away from your vegetables and flowers. Your garden can be a balanced ecosystem with nature on your side. With the right plants and beneficial insects, your garden can thrive without the need for harmful pesticides. You can find links to these beneficial insect kits in the description to help your garden thrive. Visualize your garden buzzing with life, where every creature plays a part in keeping your plants healthy. It's a vibrant, sustainable way to garden. Watering your garden is an art. To keep your plants happy, water early in the morning when the temperatures are cool to minimize evaporation and prevent diseases. This way, your plants get the water they need, without the risk of mold or mildew forming. Better yet, consider using a drip irrigation system. It delivers water directly to the roots, right where it's needed. Drip irrigation systems are efficient, saving both water and time, and they're easy to install. Upgrade your watering routine with these easy-to-install drip irrigation systems. Imagine your garden flourishing with just the right amount of hydration, day after day. Some plants are like natural fertilizers. For instance, beans and peas enrich the soil with nitrogen, benefiting nearby plants like corn. By fixing nitrogen in the soil, these plants help others grow stronger and more robust. By pairing these together, you're not just growing plants, you're nurturing a self-sustaining ecosystem. This method mimics nature's own systems, where plants grow together to support each other's needs. Picture a garden where plants not only grow together, but also nourish each other, creating harmony in your backyard. These nitrogen-fixing seeds are a must-have for creating a balanced garden ecosystem. Imagine your garden thriving with plants that nourish each other, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. You don't need to buy expensive supports for your climbing plants. Get creative. Repurpose old wood, bamboo, or even leftover twine to create sturdy, eco-friendly trellises. Your plants will have a strong support system, and so will your wallet. These DIY trellis kits make it easy to build strong supports for your plants. Visualize your garden growing upward with beautiful, strong supports crafted by your own hands. Why buy seeds every year when you can save your own? Collect seeds from your healthiest plants and store them for next season. This not only saves money, but also helps your garden adapt to your local environment. These seed-saving kits come with everything you need to store and organize your seeds. Imagine a garden that grows stronger with each season, filled with plants nurtured from seeds you've saved and sown. Don't toss those coffee grounds and eggshells. They're gardening gold. Coffee grounds acidify soil and add nitrogen, while eggshells provide calcium. Together, they're a powerhouse duo for your garden. Consider these compostable coffee filters and organic eggshell powder to boost your garden soil health. Imagine your garden thriving, nourished by simple everyday items you'd normally throw away. Keep your soil healthy by rotating your crops each season. Different plants take different nutrients from the soil, so rotating them helps prevent depletion and reduces pests. This crop rotation guide and planner can help you organize your garden for maximum yield. Envision a garden that's always fertile and vibrant, thanks to the natural balance created by thoughtful crop rotation. These 10 organic gardening hacks are simple, effective, and perfect for any new gardener looking to start their journey the right way. If you enjoyed these tips, check out our full gardening toolkit, designed to help you succeed in every season. Have you tried any of these hacks before? Let us know in the comments how they worked out for you. If you know someone who could use these tips, make sure to share this video with them. Let's help each other grow. It was an absolute pleasure to have you join us today. Like, share, subscribe, and happy gardening.